In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Lloyds Bank account on your PC, taking you step by step through the online registration process. This is a simple guide aimed at ensuring your experience in setting up a new bank account is smooth and straightforward. First things first, let's start by accessing the official Lloyds Bank website. It's always a good idea to use a secure and reliable internet browser for this process, such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari, to ensure maximum compatibility and security. Once you have your browser open, go ahead and type in the Lloyds Bank URL, then press enter to load the page. As you arrive at the home page, you should look towards the top right corner. Here, you will find the Internet Banking option. Click on this as it will navigate you to the section where you can begin your registration. Now, we need to gather some essential banking information. This includes your account number and sort code, and if available, your Lloyds debit or credit card number. Having these details on hand will make the registration process much faster and more efficient. The next part involves a verification step to ensure your identity. Lloyds Bank will send you a security code, and this can be received via your registered mobile number or email. After you've received this code, diligently input it into the designated field on the screen. This step confirms your identity, making sure your account is secure and reducing the risk of fraud. Now that your identity is verified, it's time to create your login credentials. This includes selecting a username and setting up a secure password. Make sure your password is strong by incorporating a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Additionally, you'll need to create a memorable information answer. This serves as an extra layer of security, often used in verification processes or if you ever need to recover your account. Once all of these steps are completed, congratulations! You now have access to manage your account online. With your newly created credentials, you can log into your Lloyds Bank account at any time to monitor transactions, make payments, or perform other banking activities with just a few clicks. If at any step you encounter any issues or if there's a particular point of confusion, don't hesitate to reach out directly to Lloyds Bank customer support. They are always available to assist you and ensure your entire registration experience is as smooth as possible. That's it for today's guide on creating a Lloyds Bank account online. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow these steps to establish your account safely and accurately.